This video was brought to you by Stormberg, a better route planner, MisterGreen, Kempower and Marcus Bil. Yo, what's up? We're now in Qingdao. This is the new house we built here. It's around 80 square meters and this will be the first part of the solar installation. We haven't started yet, so I contacted this EV solar company in Chiang Mai, and the first thing they will do is that they send people over here to survey the area, the house. So they went over there to check out the transformer, and we have 3-phase in a house. They actually sent 4 people here. So yes, let me show you now the plan. They have done inside the house. So here we have the fuse box. They were measuring some stuff. They opened up this panel and they were measuring some stuff in here, voltage and amps and stuff. And now they are done. And there will be eventually there will be an inverter here. They had to also check about the Wi-Fi connection and everything. Okay, see, we have some shade on the south side, but at least the north side is quite clear. So we should have plenty of space for solar cells, yeah, on the northern side there. So he's taking pictures now. Okay, we are done now. They had to take a selfie with the Tesla. It's not common yet. I'll make sure it becomes more common in Thailand. It's now 10:30 in the morning on January the 4th, and we have 4 people from EV Power Energy here. They're going to do the installation of the solar panels. And actually yesterday I live streamed, well, it's not the range, but I live streamed a battery test of MacGyver. And the live stream people, they said they want to see live stream of installing solar. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So they came with 1 pickup truck. First, there will be another one with an actual solar panel. You can see here Huawei. That's the inverter. And I guess this is some brackets and stuff. And yeah, I'm actually quite excited, like a little kid now. So I had to mount up the live stream somewhere, and we'll see how it goes. We're now on the roof, and the first thing the installers do is to mount these rails on the roof. And yeah, wifey was a bit concerned about how much weight the roof can take, and I googled about it. 1 square meter supposedly can take 100 kilograms, which means that this roof, which is around 100 square meter, can hold around 10 metric tons, which is the same weight as roughly 5 Teslas. And the weight on the solar panel is just, I don't know, a couple of 100 kilos or kilograms only. So no problem really, and it's spread over 20-25 square meters. The solar cells are here. I don't know what's up, but I'm just excited to see solar cells. These are 2.1 square meters, 450 watt Huawei. I don't know if there's any stickers here. I think there's a barcode here with a serial number. So let's check. And I can show you also the inverter is over here. Here you see the inverter. It's called Sun 2005 KTL M1, made in China with VLAN and stuff. Okay, we're now flying a drone. You can see the panels are being installed. 4 panels already in place. The solar panels are in place now. So you see the problem, it's past 3 in the afternoon. And we have this bamboo tree here blocking for the lights. So I think we have to cut some of this. Amber's dad was talking about cutting down some of these trees. We have plenty of trees blocking some of it. So this will limit the production. But at least that corner is getting something, yeah, so we can fix this, no problem. You know, fortunately, south is that direction, so we just happen to build the roof to have a slight slope towards the south, which is also good. It's a new day now. Yesterday the guys, they were working all day until 5, and then they actually stay at some resort here in Chiang Mai because they are from Chiang Mai. So now we are finishing the rest. So here you see the box. That box there, that's the fuse box. This one is just a new connector box. But here, this is the inverter. So I said wrong yesterday. This is the Huawei inverter, and the panels, they are not from Huawei. So it has some cooling fans, I guess. Well, it has to transform DC to AC, so there's some losses. Wonder how much it is, but this 5 kilowatt inverter. We are done. The installers, they just left now, and now there's another team here that will explain to me about how the stuff works, and we have to do the final payment. We paid 60% beforehand, and now we have to pay the 40% remaining. So the solar panels are already working. I can show a glimpse of it now. There's an app here, a Huawei app. I guess it's kind of resembles the Tesla app, but it's just, you know, 3 main components, and there's some stuff going on. So yes, we are now producing around 3.4 kilowatt, and then the Tesla is then slurping in most of it, and we are pulling a little bit from the grid, but yes. Right, so we spent actually many hours. You hear there's a little bit of background noise. I will explain soon, but everything has been set up. I received this certificate. It's for Wi-Fi. And also EV Power Energy, they explain about the inverter stuff and everything. And I think that's it. The interesting stuff comes in the following episodes once I start using things. And also, I think we need to cut some trees. But before we cut the trees, we're going to see the effect of it before and after cutting the trees. So I find this super interesting. This is the first time I own PV, so I'm learning a lot about this. I'm a noob when it comes to PV. But anyway, so also EV Power Energy. They have discount. This is okay in the main channel. There might be some people out there, yes, who just happen to have Thai wife or something. So if you're interested in buying solar in your house in Thailand, you can contact EV Power Energy, and you get 10,000 baht discount. I don't really make that. I don't make anything from this. They gave me 10% discount when I bought the package, and that's it. So the reason why I chose EV Power Energy is because they seem to be serious about the customers. They took care of the customer. They ask when I ask them something, they answer me always, and we have connect via line, and they were quite quick at installing. And also the equipment here, the key equipment, which is the inverter, is Huawei, which is a well-known brand, and also the solar panel is from Longi. Okay, Longi, which is also, according to my followers, that's good stuff. High performance and also high lifetime. So I think and I hope that I chose the right company. But I think that's going to be it for this episode. But before we end, the installers are back, because we're not over yet. They're going to install some more stuff. But that will be covered in another episode, because I have to explain deeper why they are back here. Nothing wrong, really. There's nothing wrong with the installation. It's just that we need to add a little bit more. So that's going to be it for now. I hope you guys... Oh, one more thing. Sorry. I don't have a script. Okay. You know. Also, you have a YouTube channel. Right?
Huh?
You have a YouTube channel.
YouTube?
คุณมีช่อง YouTube นะครับ Yes. So it's for the EV.
The name EV Power Energy.
Yes. And
name my YouTube.
Yes. So you can also check out the YouTube channel, because they will be also interviewing other people. I think there's also an interview with me there, but it's in Thai. But okay, so you can check it out if you want to know more about the company and about solar in general. But I think that's going to be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.